Guys, welcome again, and let's answer some quick questions with each other in order to check our understanding. Are you ready? Let's say Bismillah. I want you to know that when you see the word or the sentence, find the quotient, it means what? It means I'm asking about division or multiplication. Correct. I'm asking about division. Are you ready to pause this video and you try to answer the questions by yourself? Okay, here you are. I'm going to answer them when you finish. So pause the video and I'm waiting for you. So hopefully that you answered all of them. I'm going to check with you. 63 divided by 7. 7 times what we get 63, guys? Yes, 9. Good job. 42 divided by 7. 7 times what we get 42? 6. Great. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 70 divided by 7 is 10. 28 divided by 7 is what? 4. Okay. Any number divided by itself is 1. 35 divided by 7 is what? Good job. And finally, 0. And 0 is the hero. So anything as a divisor, and the 0 is the dividend. What is the quotient? It's totally 0. 0 divided by it, any number in the world, it's going to be what? 0. But of course, we exclude 0 as a divisor. Okay, guys? We cannot see anything divided by 0. And we're going to know this, inshallah, in the future. Number 11, 56 divided by 7 is what? Look, long division symbol. So the answer will be above it, right? So it is 8. 14 divided by 7. Yes, 2. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 63 cents divided by 7 is 9 cents. Great. And finally, 49 divided by 7. 49 cents, of course, divided by 7 is what? 7 cents. Great job. Okay. So let's complete with this word problem. There are 63 apartments in all. There are seven apartments on each floor. How many floors are there? Teacher, I really hate word problems, and I don't determine what exactly it wants from me. I don't know if it needs division or it wants me to make multiplication. I really don't know. So what should I do, teacher? I'm going to tell you, listen carefully to me. If you notice that your word problem contains a meaning of distributing objects equally into groups, such that each group will have the same number of objects, that means I'm talking about division, because I see either separating of objects or sharing of objects. So that means what? That means I'm talking about division. Okay, guys? So put this in front of you all the time. Okay, so there are 63 apartments in all. I have 63 apartments. This is the total number of apartments. This is the number of objects in all. How many? Again, 63. Okay, great. Look, there are 7 apartments on each floor. How many floors are there? So you have a number of floors, and each floor I have 7 apartments. So I have 63 in all, and I have number of floors such that each floor have 7 apartments, 7 objects. It is like having 63 straws, and I have a number of cups, but I have 7 straws in each cup. So how many cups do you have? Here is the point. So it is like separating these 63 into a number of floors such that each floor will have the same number of apartments. Will have 7 apartments. Each floor, how many apartments does it have? Oh, 7. Good job. So I'm going to say 63, which is the number in all, divided by what? The number in each cup or the number in each group. You have 63 in all, you have number of groups, and I have 7 in each group. So 63 divided by 7 will give you the number of groups, will give you the number of floors, which is what? Which is 9. So I have 9 floors, goodness, right? I have 9 floors. I'm going to tell you, bravo, you got it. I have distributing objects equally into groups, and I want to know how many groups do I have since each group has 7 objects. Okay, here is the point. Another question. Are you ready? Okay. I want you to pause the video to read it by yourself and understand it by yourself in order to know what exactly should you do in order to solve it as a master in math. Okay. We have 7 girls grew 21 tomato plants. 7 girls, and they grew 21 tomato plants. Okay, so the total number of objects is what? Is it 21? Look, if each girl grew the same number of plants, I have 21 total of number of objects, okay? Number of objects in all, I have 21. And I have 7 girls. I gave each girl the same number of plants. How many girls, miss? I have 7 girls. Okay, so I want to share. I want to distribute 21 tomato plants among these 7 girls equally, such that I want to know how many plants did or does each girl take. Okay, so I'm going to put the number in all divided by the number of girls, which represents the number of groups. I have 7 groups, and I want to know how many do we have in each group. How many plants did each girl take, right? So I have 3. 3 plants with each girl. It's like having 21 straws and 7 cups. And I want to distribute the 21 straws equally into the cups, into the 7 cups. So how many do I have in each cup? I have 3 straws. And here I have a question about what? How many tomato plants? So I have 3 tomato plants that each girl will take. And I'm going to say, excellent work. Thank you so much. I want you to know that the word problems is one of the highest skills in math. If you understood the question itself, be sure that you're going to answer it correctly. But you have to understand the question and you have to determine, does it have distributing equal into groups or not? And according to this, your decision will be you're going to decide. Thank you so much. I want you to know that your teacher really loves you. Goodbye and stay safe, everyone.